Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Learning Place. This is a series where curious agents like us dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. This week I'll be showcasing a simple AI agent project that I built using Python and OpenAI's API. So before we get into it, what exactly is an AI agent? An AI agent is a system that can interact, process input, and generate intelligent responses. In simple terms, it's a computer program that can understand and respond to text, voice, or other inputs. And in this project, I created a text-based AI assistant that can chat with users in real time. And this AI agent works like a chatbot. It takes text input from the user, sends it to OpenAI's API, and generates a relevant response. Here's an example. I asked, "Can you survive solely on pizza for a year?" The AI agent answered, "No. It is not recommended to survive solely on pizza for a year, as it would not provide a well-balanced diet with all the necessary nutrients needed for optimal health. Pizza is high in calories, saturated fats, and sodium, which can lead to various health issues such as obesity, high cholesterol, and heart disease if consumed in excess. It is important to have a variety of foods from all food groups to ensure you are getting all the essential nutrients your body needs to function properly." As you can see, it can answer questions, provide helpful responses, and simulate conversations. Even the more complex your question is, the more advanced its response will be. To build this AI agent, I used Python, the programming language I used to write the chatbot. OpenAI API, this is what powers the AI's responses. It sends my text input to OpenAI's model and retrieves a smart response. Visual Studio Code, my preferred code editor to write and test my script. With just a few lines of Python code, I was able to create an AI that can hold a conversation. Pretty cool, right? In this section, I'll walk through the code behind my AI agent and explain how it works. If you're excited to learn more about AI and Python, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI experiments. Before we get into the code, I have set up all of the environments for the code to run successfully, including creating an API key, securing API key secure, installing OpenAI Transformer and LangChain through terminals. After that, we have gathered all the elements to dive into the code. Alright, here is my Python script inside VSCode. Let's break it down step by step. First, I import the necessary libraries. OS allows us to interact with the system environment, and OpenAI is the official OpenAI library that helps us communicate with the GPT model. Next, we need to set up our OpenAI API key. This line initializes the OpenAI client and authenticates our requests. Instead of hard-coding the API key, I recommend storing it as an environment variable for security reasons. Now, let's look at the function that powers our AI agent. Here's what happens inside this function. It takes a user query as input. It calls OpenAI's chat completions create to send that query to GPT 3.5 Turbo. The model processes the input and generates a response. Finally, it extracts the AI's reply and returns it to be displayed to the user. Then this is how the program interacts with the user. This is the main loop of the chatbot. Here's how it works. It greets the user when the script starts. It takes user input through input. If the user types exit or quit, the program terminates. Otherwise, it sends the user's message to iAgent and prints the response. Now that we understand how the code works, let's run it in the terminal. I'll type some messages and see how the AI agent responds. As you can see, our AI agent is working perfectly. It responds to user input and even knows when to exit the chat when user type exit. And that's it. We successfully built and tested an AI chatbot using Python and OpenAI's API. Here's what we covered. What an AI agent is, how we coded our chatbot in Python, a live demo of the AI in action. What we could do to improve this further is to add memory, so the AI remembers past conversations. Integrate it into a web or mobile app, or we could even connect it with voice input and output. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more AI contents and see you in the next video.